Hey guys, I'm Justin Skinner. I'd like to introduce you to the Quaddiction 5x5 Pop-up FPV gate.
Adapted from the traditional 6-foot pop-up soccer gate, the Quaddiction gate has been heavily improved to meet the demands of the FPV community. This is not just another rebranded product. This gate is meant for FPV racing. The high contrast yellow is easy to see from a distance, allowing you to set up your lines early in nearly all lighting conditions. And as we all know, the better you can see, the more confident you can fly. So what makes the Quaddiction gate stand out from the others? Let's start with the obvious. It stands 5 feet by 5 feet on the training side, similar to the multi-GP standards. But if you want a tougher challenge, simply flip the gate over and you have the RMRC Pro side at 5 feet wide by 4 feet tall. That's right, one gate, two options. Now let's take a look at some of the not so obvious features. The material on the training side is 15 centimeters wide, nearly double that of standard pop-up gates. This allows the material to hang looser, which in turn lends to a more forgiving gate should you clip it while going through. There are 4 stakes attached to each gate, one in each corner and one on each arch. Each stake has been designed to make pushing it into the ground by hand painless thanks to the circular design with rounded edges. The stakes on each arch have a pocket to store in while not in use, or can even be totally removed if you plan on only using one side. And then when you're ready to store them, simply fold them up and button each side together. Speaking of closing, this is how easy it is. Fold it closed, fold it back open. You can even do it with one hand. And while I can't say for certain that Quaddiction gates will save you money, they are very forgiving when you crash into them, unlike homemade PVC pipe-based gates, often allowing you to keep going long after you would have broken parts and props in other gates, giving you more airtime and less repair time.
And once it's closed, fold it up. There's buttons on each side. You just button it together. Slip it back into its carry bag that's included, and go on home about your day. Takes 5 minutes to set up a track, 5 minutes to break down a track. It'll take you longer to come up with a track than it will be for you to set it up. And it's now available at ReadyMadeRC.com.